What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Truck Bros YouTube channel. First off, I'd like to thank our sponsor for today's video, ISSYAUTO. They sent us out a LED third brake light for 07 through 13 model GMC Sierra pickups. Let's take a look and see what the quality is. Now this is going to be all LED, and it's pretty much, from what I saw in the description, yeah, exactly what I thought. It matches the factory tail light perfectly, minus being all LED. Of course, you can see LEDs in there. So let's go ahead and put the head camera on. We're gonna get in the truck, go ahead and get this installed, and see what we think. All right, so removal of this third brake light is pretty straightforward. You have two screws that mount it in place. On the 07 through 13 model pickups, it's going to be a Torx bit. I don't remember what size. Let's see. T20 is what's going to be holding these in. So for video purposes, I went ahead and took it loose. That way it wouldn't take me so long to get this out of here, so y'all could see what it looks like before it got too dark. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. Go ahead and remove this screw right here. And what I like about this light ISSYAUTO has made for us, basically it's plug and play. So we just unplug the connector from the factory light right here. Of course, slides right out, place it there. We're going to pick up their light, which has their connector, obviously matching. Take it, plug it in. Don't smack the back glass 3-4 times when you're doing it. Alright, here we go. Feed all this in here because you're going to have a little bit of excess. Alright, there we go. Screw number 1. And of course, I can't stress this enough. Snug is tight enough for this. Don't over tighten these, otherwise you run the risk of breaking these lights. I've done it before. I'm guilty of it myself. So definitely be very gentle. Let's see, here we go. It's pulling it up to the truck. It feels good and tight. Go again. All right. That's good and tight. Feels good and solid. All right, Blake, go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, that is insanely bright. Go ahead and hit the brake. My goodness, that looks good. I like that a lot. Definitely good quality. Thank you, ISSYAUTO. This is it's a pretty awesome little product you got here. We certainly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get everything picked up and step down, and we'll finish this video up. Alright, so I'd like to give a huge thank you to ISSYAUTO for sending out that third brake light out to us and let us give it a try. Of course, if you're interested in getting one for yourself, the link to their Amazon account is below. Go pick you one up, try it out, see what you think. Of course, if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.